Hello and welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach and I'm feeling a little inspired this morning. This morning is actually the Thanksgiving weekend of 2019, so we had some snow and freezing rain overnight. So it wasn't a ton, but definitely the shovel needed driveway. The driveway needed shoveling, and I asked I was expecting like the whole family to eventually just go out and all of us tackle it at once. And my older son said, well, I'll start doing it. And I said, okay, I'll be out there as soon as I finish my coffee. So I had my Sauron mug of coffee and finished a cup. And then I was about to get out and I look out the window and he had done the entire thing. I was quite impressed. I was actually very impressed that he did that. It seems as he's getting older that he's getting more responsible and doing stuff like that, and definitely heaped praise upon him for doing that. That was quite impressive, especially at the bottom of the driveway where it gets pushed in by the plows, and with it being heavier snow, that is not easy to do. So you might be wondering, why do I live in Minnesota without a snowblower? Because I'm cheap. Well, I'm not cheap. I pick my battles, and for some reason I've just always been like, nah, we don't need a snowblower. And I'm starting to think as I'm getting older, maybe you get one of these little small ones that can still do the job. Our neighbors that we got a year or so ago, they have like an electric lawnmower, an electric snowblower, and this one electric thing that sucks up all the leaves and then mulches them. So kind of impressive. I'm still fighting this cough thing. I don't know what this is. Hope to get rid of it soon. It's better, but still happens. So I've also been editing a bunch of videos, and I have them all uploaded now, so I'm all the way out until like mid-January, which is awesome. But I've been realizing that I've been stuck in a rut. I've been doing a lot of analyzer for CSLA videos, and I need to get off that train. And there's a lot of, like I said, there's a lot of things I have on my to-do list, a lot of topics I can do. So it's not for a want of material. It's just I need to get off of this stuff. But this is the last one to do for a while until I figure out other things to do. And it's still with this asynchronous rule thing. I talked to Rocky about it, and I'm looking over the screen here to my right with all the notes that we've been making. And what we came down to the conclusion is that for a asynchronous business rule, that you should not call complete and execute async, okay? And then flag it as an error, and then see if we can provide a code fix to remove that as well. I also have to remember, in fact, I'm going to put in my comment here, don't forget to make markdown documentation for the new analyzers. Because that's easy to forget. So anyway, so that's what I'm going to do. I think finding the complete method won't be hard. It's removing it that can be a little, whoops, what the heck? Oh God, oh God. Where you have the focus. And I thought it was in Visual Studio, so I did a keystroke, and that actually closed the tab, and I'm like, no, that's not what I wanted. Let's see here. Analyzers. Oh yeah, that's right. He made a tag for this, so I can just click on the tag. Well, there's a couple other ones. Maybe I'll just do those off camera because they're... okay. So, should go, is complete called an asynchronous rule? Is complete called an asynchronous business rule analyzer? Okay. All right. Oh. Did I just... I did. So where is it in the list? There it is. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's complete call. Now did it? Good. It did. Okay. La-di-da-da. We know we're going to need... I should just make a template for myself for this, because I do the same thing all the time. Either that or a code snippet that just puts all this in place, so I don't have to think about it. Can't spell. I know I'm being quiet. I don't think I'm being consistent either on all these things. There. Okay. What did I do wrong? Well, why don't you... Oh, for God's sakes. I am in the right... Yeah, okay. I wonder... It's fun watching myself in videos sometimes, and that when I make a mistake and I will realize it later. That I will look back and go, God, that was just obvious. How did you miss that, Jason? You moron. Like watching the video that I just did, that I edited, where I couldn't get the code fix to work. It was just a prime example of you need to walk away. Just walk away from the problem at hand because you're getting frustrated. You know you are, and yet I didn't. So let that be a lesson to you, kids, boys and girls. Sometimes the best thing to do, no. Sometimes the best thing to do is just walk away. Not just walk away from getting bullied, but when your code is bullying you, then you need to walk away too. Okay, so hopefully I'm going to get better at doing the coughs and editing them out. What was that one guy that did the video where every time he took a breath, it was like chocolate rain, and he would move over because he didn't want him breathing in or whatever on the mic. It was like a viral video a long time ago. That's what I feel like I'm doing when I'm doing the coughing. Okay, what do we need to do here? We need to make sure, yeah, pretty much copy a lot of this stuff as well. Yep. So we need to make sure we're a business rule. We need to make sure that the method we're in is async. We don't need to check that we are async because you should be. But what we do need to, I can use, what was that other one I just did? Has to do with business rule. Yeah, it's going to do all of the stuff. You know what? I can just say complete. Maybe that'll be better. Is complete called? Yeah, that's what I want. No, that's the one I'm doing. Okay, let's just go. Stop it. Go through the list here. Business rules I use add. Yeah, that's the one I wanted. Okay, so for business rule, so what we want to do is basically this. Was complete method called. Of type using system link. Any invocation. Oh, and then I also need to grab the context parameter. So I will, yeah, I was debating this. You know, do I really need to check that there is only one parameter? I guess just to be safe, to follow what I'm doing there, let's do that. Okay, so what I want to do there. That should be it. So we're going to make sure that if you've done any invocation of complete within that method, and the complete call is done on the context, yeah. Except do I want it to, be reported on the parameter, or do I want it to be reported on the method? I think on the method. I think that actually makes more sense in this case. There we go. There we go. Get her done. Get her done. Is that it? Well, let's give it a whirl. Let's see what happens. I'm also trying to be more aggressive in cutting out dead space in the videos. Even if I'm not talking, but I'm doing a lot of typing, if I'm doing what I just did, a lot of code, I'll keep that in. But if I'm just waiting like for this to load or waiting for all the tests to load, usually I've trimmed that down to where you see where I'm starting into where that finally comes in, just because I want to do that. So, okay, let's see what happens. I don't know if I have. No, we want to flip this now. Calling complete. Wait. That's wrong because it's the other way around. Yeah, this actually should be failing up here. That we want to take out. And that we want to put in here. So now, yeah. Because we call complete. So I must have some if logic screwed up. Yeah, if it was called. Very good, Jason. You're an idiot. Okay. Text messages. Oh yeah, a friend of mine just found out that they're having Actually, Alan, the guy that I did a couple of videos for back on my channel, would have been at this point like 6 or 7 videos ago, just found out they're having their 4th kid, and it is a boy. So he's getting a bunch of congrats. All right, did I shut that down? Yes, I did. Okay, so we'll run this now. All right. You know, I'm happy for him, and him and some other people I know that have more than 2 kids, I'm like, you guys are crazy. You guys are nuts. Because my wife and I were like, 2, we're done. That's it. I'm not going to have any more. 2 is enough. And, you know, it's just, that's where we knew we needed to stop. So we did. Now this should flip. And it does. Okay, so that's good. Complete shimming column. Okay. Awesome. All right, so we have that done. I will add tests. Jeez, I cannot get rid of this. My light's flashing? It felt like it was flashing. And I would not be surprised if we lose power because we're getting freezing rain right now. You know, and then that weighs down on the wires and sometimes they snap. So I would not be surprised if we do lose power. In any event. Okay, so put back on my clock here. So now we want to make a code fix. And what we want to do is find all the invocations and basically remove them. And I might. I wonder. I have, my pay statements from my bank. If I go to, I think it's compiler API book. What chapter would it be? 3. Comment remover. I wonder if I can use some of the code in here to I don't need that. But to see if I could if I can just find it and then say replace the node with just a new, but we want it to be gone. We don't want it to even be there. So, and I might find another place where I do this. So we're going to do this. All right. Once more to the whatever. Once more to the thing. I really should do my own templates for this, because then I could just bang it out a lot easier. And where did I say it was? It was on the method symbol, so we are getting the method symbol. Okay. Okay, so let's kind of do that stuff because I probably will need it. So, what do I need to do? Well, I kind of need to do what I just did, which is this, except a little bit more twisted. Now, I'm not convinced that I need, for each var complete invocation in, what? Excuse me, got a little cough. Okay, you're going to need system link. No, it's not what you need. Why are you being so confused? So that's that, and that's that. Right? Okay, so now, what are you barking about? For each statements cannot operate variables. Oh, select. There we go. There we go. Semantic model, which just model here. We can assume that there's going to be this. Okay. So for each of those locations, what we want to do is say new root is equal to new root, replace, oh, we could say replace nodes. Well, that would be even better, because then I could do this all in one shot. Yeah, so let's do that. Var complete invocations is equal to, pull that back a little bit, do that, and then doing. So we're going to say replace the nodes of complete invocations. Now, why you would call it more than once, I have no idea. That'd be really stupid. But let's see if this actually works. So we're going to say do that. No, that doesn't seem right. Why are we getting a bool here? Oh, we need to... No. I want to select... Yeah, I'm being stupid this morning. I want to say if the invocation... Sorry, I'm getting distracted by my messages. And I got to keep my clock up here. Come on, Jason, keep the clock up here. Okay. Yeah, so they're bools. Why can't I think this out? So we're going to get all those, and we're going to say select. Well, I could say where. Yeah, there we go. And those are of that. Yes, that's a... Except it can't be that new syntax. Node? Well, we can't do that. Can we just say null? And then it's this with... I'm just going to put this in here because why not? I should be more consistent on that. All right, so let's just try this. What do we got to lose? I should be... Well, I'm assuming that you did change stuff. If you wouldn't have gotten this called if... Yeah. Okay, so... I'm really not good to... It's probably something I should do is just walk through all this and make sure that essentially all the things are more consistent with naming. All right, let's see what this does. Okay. Yes, we have an error. We have an error. Good, 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 good. All right, so where's the error? As my fan takes off like a jet engine. Okay. So it's here. Once it catches up and goes, that's an error. Okay, now what do we do? What are we doing wrong? So we say get all the complete invocations. Okay, so we do get the 1, which is good. I'm guessing it doesn't like that you're returning null here, but that's what it's going to complain about. Yep, that's what it doesn't like. It does not like that. Okay, so what we need to do is find a way to say replace nodes with just, I don't know. Let's see. C#, C# Rosalind, replace nodes blank. Oh, wait. Is there a remove? Yes, there is. That's probably what I want. Just remove these. Of course, do the right thing. So what's the problem? Creates a new tree of nodes with specified nodes. Oh, syntax remove options. Syntax remove options. Are these? Yeah, that's the one I want. Okay. One more time with feeling. God, I was making that a lot harder than I should have. I should have just read the API. It's funny how you get that like flash in your head of, hey, wait a minute. Because I remember there was a remove nodes and I completely forgot as I was writing this. So, okay. Oh, come on. I thought it was so close. What's the problem? Okay, now I'm a little confused. Now I is confused. If this doesn't work, I'm going to start a new episode because I do not want to go over my kind of 30-minute time here. So if I can't figure this out, I will start another one. I'll get more coffee. And tackle it some more. I don't know why that would have failed. That is a little weird to me. It is a little weird to me. Come on, prepare it. It's not that hard to prepare. Okay, there you are. Good. Okay. Okay, yes. Come on. Oh, I wonder if the leading trivia is also the comments. And do you really want to remove those? That's a... Okay, so we get the complete invocations. Why did that... Okay, why did that fail, though? So... Value cannot be null. Well, ain't that a kicker? What does that mean? That's kind of bizarre. Because we're calling here add code fix. And then we call remove nodes. And then we go all the way up the tree here, and then it says, no, value cannot be null. I don't know why. I wonder, it's the method declaration. Huh. All right, well, we're going to do another one because obviously I can't figure this out in this one. So we're going to do another one. So thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.